The Industrial Revolution changed the world. Iron built the bridges. Iron built the ships. Iron built the empire. And one man was credited for it all. His name was Henry Cort. But what if the story we were told isn't true? In the 1780s, British industrialist Henry Cort patented a revolutionary iron-making method. The process helped Britain manufacture railways, naval ships, suspension bridges, industrial factories. This innovation became the backbone of the Industrial Revolution. It was called the Cort Process. But Henry Cort may not have invented it. Years before Cort filed his patent, something extraordinary was happening across the Atlantic. Near Morant Bay, Jamaica, stood a foundry known as Reader's Pen. It was operated by approximately 76 black metallurgists. Most were enslaved Africans taken from West and West Central Africa regions famous for advanced ironworking traditions. The foundry's white owner, John Reader, openly admitted he was quite ignorant of iron manufacturing. Yet he described the black metallurgists as perfect in every branch of the iron manufactory. They were masters of their craft. These metallurgists combined two powerful techniques. 1. Heating scrap iron in a reverberatory furnace, keeping the metal separate from direct fuel contact. 2. Passing the heated iron through grooved rollers, technology adapted from sugar mills. The result? Worthless scrap metal transformed into valuable wrought iron. By 1781, the Jamaican foundry was earning enormous profits. This was not experimentation. This was industrial-scale innovation. Meanwhile, in England, Henry Cort was struggling. He had secured a Royal Navy contract requiring him to convert old scrap iron into usable material. But there was one problem. No reliable method existed in Britain to do it profitably. Cort was on the brink of financial ruin. Then something changed. Shipping records show that Cort learned of the Jamaican foundry through his cousin, a ship captain traveling between Jamaica and England. And soon after, the Jamaican foundry was destroyed. In 1782, British authorities placed Jamaica under military law. Officially, the foundry was dismantled to prevent rival powers like France or Spain from seizing it. But privately, colonial officials feared something else. If black metallurgists could turn scrap metal into iron cannon, its machinery packed onto ships. Destination: Portsmouth. Shortly after, Henry Cort patented his process. Cort's patent revolutionized iron production in Britain. Costs dropped. Output surged. But history recorded only one name: Henry Cort. Not the 76 black metallurgists. Not the enslaved African iron masters. Ironically, Cort himself did not profit for long. He was later implicated in financial misconduct involving Royal Navy funds. The British government confiscated his patents and made them public. The technique spread rapidly across Britain. The Industrial Revolution accelerated. But the origin story remained incomplete. Centuries later, historian Dr. Jenny Bulstrode uncovered the forgotten story. Her research shows the technique existed in Jamaica before Cort's patent. It was developed by enslaved black metallurgists with deep roots in African ironworking civilizations. This wasn't accidental discovery. It was advanced scientific knowledge. Knowledge that was appropriated. Knowledge that built an empire. The Industrial Revolution is often told as a triumph of European innovation, but this story reveals something deeper. The modern industrial world was shaped not only by factories and financiers, but by enslaved black intellect and expertise. Their skill transformed scrap into strength. Their innovation forged the foundations of modern industry. Yet their names were never written into the patents. History remembers Henry Cort, but history is being rewritten. If you found this story powerful, like and subscribe for more hidden histories that shaped the modern world. Because sometimes, the greatest inventions are not just stolen, they are erased.